Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled to find the perfect mascara and eyeliner duo that can give you that bold, intense look without the flakes or smudges, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're exploring a set that's all about building volume, creating definition, and intensifying your eyes. Perfect for anyone looking to make their lashes and eyes the star of the show. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you won't miss any of our expert beauty reviews. The Pupa Milano Vamp Extreme and Multiply set comes with a 3-piece mascara kit that includes their signature volume mascara, a triple-purpose eye pencil, and a chic envelope clutch bag. It's a versatile set that promises not just volume, but also separation, definition, and lengthening, plus the added bonus of being flake-free, which is a game changer for long-lasting wear. The mascara itself features an innovative curved brush design that ensures effortless application, conforming to the natural shape of your eye to coat your lashes from root to tip. The flexible wand adds to the comfort and ease of application, making it great for a no-fuss makeup routine. The formula is buildable, which means you can go from a soft, sculpted look to a bold, voluminous one with just an extra coat or two. As for the triple-purpose eye pencil, it's all about creating high-coverage, intense color that stays put throughout the day. The creamy texture glides on smoothly, delivering impressively pigmented color with minimal effort. Whether you're going for a soft daytime look or an intense evening gaze, this pencil has you covered. I've had the chance to test out this set, and here's how it performed in real-world use. The mascara lived up to its promises of volume and separation. I love how it doesn't clump, and even after multiple coats, my lashes felt lightweight, no heavy, crunchy feeling. It was a breeze to build up the intensity, and I really appreciated how it defined my lashes while adding a significant boost in volume. The fact that it stayed flake-free for the entire day was a major win, especially for those of us who wear makeup for long hours. The eye pencil was equally impressive. The creamy formula was easy to apply and didn't tug on my skin, which is something I always look for in a pencil. It stayed put through the day, and the color payoff was strong. Just one swipe was enough for full coverage, which made getting ready in the morning a lot quicker. I used it both as a liner and as a smudged out eyeshadow for a softer look, and both ways it was perfect for enhancing my eyes. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the mascara's formula is truly flake-free, and it gives an impressive amount of volume and definition without clumping. I also loved how easy it was to layer for a more dramatic effect, which is great for those who want versatility in their mascara. The flexible wand and curved brush make application smooth and comfortable, which is key for me. On the downside, if I had to nitpick, I would say that for those who prefer a more natural look, the mascara may give you a bit more drama than you're looking for, but if you love bold lashes, it's a win. As for the eye pencil, while it's great in terms of color payoff, it could benefit from being a little more long-wearing for those with oilier lids. But overall, both products perform exceptionally well for what they promise. When it comes to value for money, the Pupa Milano Vamp Extreme and Multiply set is priced a little higher than some drugstore brands, but considering the quality of the products and the chic packaging, it's a solid option for those looking for a high-performance mascara and eyeliner set. If you're someone who loves a bold, defined eye look, I think it's worth the investment. In comparison to other mascaras on the market, I would say this set competes well with premium brands that offer buildable volume and separation. It's comparable in quality to products that cost more, so it stands out as a great value for what it delivers. Now, if you're looking for something a little more budget-friendly, but still want volume and definition, there are options like Maybelline's Lash Sensational or L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise. While they may not have the same level of high-end packaging, they offer similar performance at a lower price point. The packaging of this set is beautiful, simple yet elegant. The mascara wand feels sturdy, and the eye pencil has a solid, high-end feel. The clutch bag that it comes with is a nice touch, but I will admit it's more of a bonus than something essential. It's great for storing the products or for a night out, but not a game changer in terms of functionality. After testing this set, I'd say that it's great for anyone who loves a bold, defined look and values ease of application. The mascara is fantastic for volume without clumping, and the eye pencil gives you the kind of intense pigmented payoff that lasts. It's perfect for someone who wants their lashes and eyes to stand out with minimal fuss. So is this set worth the hype? If you're someone who loves a good lash moment, this set will definitely up your beauty game. It provides everything you need to achieve a fuller, more dramatic lash look with intense color. For those looking for a more natural effect, it may not be the perfect match, but if you're all about the volume and definition, then this is a must-try. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in grabbing this set, you can find the link in the comments or the description box. And if you've already tried it, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.